Yo, what's up, guys? All right, look, man, just bought this 2017 Kawasaki Ninja EX650. It looks like it's a theft recovery, but yeah, this is my buddy's 2019 Honda CB 300R. This is the first time I've seen this damn thing in person. I bought it like almost a month ago. This thing is just lit, so I bought one because he bought one. But yeah, he's got to replace the O-ring for the fuel injector because his bike is leaking gas. We'll start it up for you guys. I know you guys want to hear a cold start. Well, not really a cold start, but all right. He's got 12,474 miles on it. It's got ABS and everything. We just took it down to the gas station to air up the tire because it's got a nail in it, but it's all Gucci. Turn it on. The exhaust is right here blowing on the tire. It's a beast. I don't know how to turn the lights on because I guess it was wired up with the ignition. I don't know, but I'll have to figure all that out. All right, you guys, I was a little scared at first. You got these little kids out here riding around on their little dirt bikes and stuff, and I did it. The only thing I wanted to do, it was running. I had it in first, and I was just like easing out the clutch, and I just let it roll. I was going downhill, and then I went down there. I stopped like halfway, turned the bike off, and I was like, all right, let's do it again. Did it again, went all the way down to like the first little barrow right here, and then freaking turned around, came back up without the clutch, just gave it gas. Boom, boom. So yeah.
Turn around, come back.